I don't normally eat these, but I thought I'd try them. I was actually trying to buy the, I think it's pronounced Puchow candy, and I didn't realize I picked up Haichu with them, so cool. So look, I discovered they have this opening tab. There you go. So if I can get it to open. So strawberry, you know, that's pretty classic. Oh, I feel like I already messed it up. There we go. Oh, totally off camera when I did that too. Whatever. Okay. Smells like that fake strawberry lipstick. Like when you buy a strawberry shortcake doll, it smells like that. It smells like fake strawberry shortcake. Yeah, that's what it smells like. It smells like a strawberry shortcake doll. So, I don't know if that's good or bad. I think I like that Puchow better. This tastes like plastic. Strawberry plastic. I mean, it's chewy. I mean, I'm not very good about critiquing. I guess that's true. It does not look like that. Well, maybe let me cut it in half and see. Oops. Yeah, kind of faint there. Whatever. It tastes like good artificial candy.